What's going on, YouTube? Boy again. Got a little progress done on the wiring harness. Got a lot of the wires I need removed. That's this little pile sitting over here. I'll go and show you a couple things that I need to do as far as like removing wires. I'm still on LT1swap.com. And what wire is this? Number 65. Okay. 65 is the signal high bank 2 sensor. It's a O2 sensor that I don't need. So follow this wire. Got them taped up all the way back down here to where the O2 sensor is. So once you remove the pin, follow that purple wire all the way back here. You see that it's 3 other wires. It's a pink one, a black one, and a tan one. There's that also go to the same connector. So once you get that purple one out the way, snake it through the rest of all these wires and all that. You gotta go and find out where these 3 wires go and remove them. The black wire, I'm gonna follow this one. It's gonna go to one of these little spots on the harness where they got all the grounds going to. So once you find that, you just snip that right off. Alright, there's two wires out of that harness. 2 wires gone. The 10 wire is gonna pretty much do the same thing. Follow it. It goes to one of the same little connections. Just cut that baby. This pink one is gonna run all the way up to the C2 connector. You follow that all the way up here. I read somewhere that you can cut all these wires in the beginning, but I'm waiting until I get to them. That way I kind of remember where everything went and all that. If that makes sense. But just follow after I cut it. Then just take that O2 sensor and throw it in the pile with the rest of the wire. Stuff you don't need. Back up here. Got some wires going to this C100 connector that you gonna need. I seen people cut all them too, but you know, like I said, I did the same thing. Held on to them until I get to it. That's the C100 connector. It's black. But yeah, number 58 on the blue harness goes to the the 100 connector. And it goes to the OBD2 little thing that goes under the dash. So I labeled those wires that I needed. Then I go in and clip them. Same thing for the TCC wire, which is number 33 on the blue connector. Saved it. Go ahead and get it and snip it. Alright, pull those out the way, those stay. Get some wires that you will need to put into the connector. Like number 42 on my harness. Number 42. Let me see if you can see that. If it focus. Number 42 is empty. But you running electric fans, you want the PCM, the controller, you're going to have to take one of the old wires with the pin still on it and stick that right in the 42. And you want to label that 42, like it says here, is empty. fan 1 control. It'll be empty on 99 through 2002 harness. Like you just put that in there, label it fan 1 control. Move on to the next step. Pretty much where I'm at. Getting it cut down. But there was a couple. I had a couple little connectors on the harness that I didn't know where they went. But you know, after a little research online, I found a list with mostly all the connectors. That way you can go in and after you see what yours look like, go on there, go down the list and figure out what it is. Kind of quicker than trying to trace the wires back from the red and blue connectors all the way through here to see where it goes and all that stuff. But I'll put those links down in the description so you can just, you know, find that page easy if you need to use it. But that's pretty much where I'm at. Got a little pile over there deleted. Finna delete a few more, add a few more, cut some connectors off, and that's pretty much it. Get a little further down the line, I'll be making another video what I did, what I'm gonna do with this harness. That way, you know, if you're doing the same thing, you can kind of follow along and make your life a little bit easier. I mean, it's not hard, time consuming, do a little thinking, but it could be done. Anybody can do it. Got any questions, hit me up. Bad boy out.